Good afternoon everyone. Today we will see experiment number 2, that is design low voltage variable regulator for output voltage of 2 volt to 7 volt using IC723. Basically, voltage regulator by IC723, there are two types, that is one is low voltage regulator and second one is high voltage regulator. The low voltage regulator IC or low voltage regulator circuit contains or gives the output that is up to 2 to 7 volt, and if the output vary between 2 to 37 or 3 to 37 volt, so that circuit is called a high voltage variable regulator circuit by using IC723. So both circuit can be made or designed by using IC723. Here in this experiment we are going to see a low voltage regulator, that is voltage regulator for output voltage 2 to 7 volt. So the component or component required for this experiment are various types of resistor, that is 5.6K. Then we required 1 or 2 pot, then 1.57 kilo ohms resistor, 1K oblique 10K resistor and 10 ohm resistance. Also capacitor required as 100 picofarad and 1 IC723. So here is the circuit diagram for the voltage regulator, that is low voltage regulator. With the help of this circuit diagram, we have to design and we have to assemble the circuit on a breadboard. So according to this, we had design and made a circuit on a breadboard similar to this circuit, and we are just taking output from the pin number 3 across the load. Now basically when we talk about the voltage regulator, so there are two, again we have to take two different reading, that is one is for the line regulation and second one is for the load regulation. So if you look at the observation table, so basically after designing or placing all this component on a breadboard, how we have to take the reading. So we have to take a reading for the two types, that is one is the load variation adjust load RL for variation IL values, and second one is line regulation. So basically this type of reading is called a load regulation and this is called an line regulation. Now in this first observation table we are going to change the load, that is load regulation, and here we are changing the input that is to be provided to the IC741 IC723, and we have to observe the change in the output, and by using this reading we can easily find out the load regulation and line regulation. So both can be find out by using varying load and input voltage. So first we demonstrate a line regulation and in after performing this experiment you will find that the output voltage will be constant at some point. It is not affected by changing either load values or by changing the input value. The same can be demonstrated through this experiment on observation table. So let us start with this connection, and we have to take the reading. So this is nothing but the observation table that we have to write down the values from the experiment. So let us here is the total circuit design, which is shown in the circuit as this. So this is what the circuit. Here we connect one pot. We are taking output from pin number. We are taking output from pin number 3. We are providing input voltage, that is Vin 11 to 12 pin number. Here is the input, that is from the DC power supply. We are connecting a DC power supply to provide a supply, and we are measuring output on multimeter. So let us start with this experiment. So simply we start the increasing the input voltage. Here, as we go on increasing the input voltage, let's take, if we are taking input voltage as 2.4, as it start increasing the input voltage from 0, 1, 2, the output voltage is also changing. It reaches, for 2.4 it reaches to 0.67. So for 4.4, 4.5, then 5. So we have to take first, we have to note down the first reading at 5 volt. For 5 volt, we are getting 1.85 as an output voltage. So that voltage we have to note down here. For 5 volt, we are getting 1.85 volt. So next level is, you can take 6 volt, 7 volt, 8 volt. So next reading will be taken as at 10 volt. So at 10 volt we are getting 4.03 as an output voltage. So that also I note down here. For 10 volt we are getting 4.03 as an output voltage. Now next reading will be taken at 15 volt. So if you observe, at some point, or we can say after 7 to 8 volt, the output voltage is getting constant, that is nothing but a 4.03, and as we are increasing the input voltage, there is no change in the output voltage. That means we are getting a constant output voltage, that is 4.3 for every voltage increase after 7 to 8 volt. Here also for 15 volt we are getting only 4.03. As we are increasing this input voltage, it is reached up to 20 volt. We are getting a 4.03 volt. Again we are increasing the input voltage. So for 25 we are getting again 4.03. And also as we are increasing this input voltage, it reaches to the up to 30 volt. Still we are getting only 4.03 as an voltage. That is constant voltage, that is nothing but the 4.3 volt. So from this reading we can easily say that after 7 to 8 volt we are getting a constant output voltage. That means after some voltage point, after some point, there is no effect on output for changing in the input. That means as we are increasing input, or there is no effect of input on the output after some peak point or stable point. Now if you want to change the output voltage, we can vary the resistance R2, because we know the formula for the Vout. Vout is nothing but the R2 upon R1 plus R2 into V reference. So by changing the value of R1, or by changing the value of R1, we can easily change the output voltage. So this is what the first reading, that is nothing but the line regulation. From this, if you want to calculate the line regulation is nothing but the change in the output voltage, that is change in the output voltage to change in input voltage multiplied with the 100. So that is nothing but the percentage line regulation. So this can be calculated from this. So percentage line regulation is nothing but the del VO by del VI multiplied by 100. So you can easily find out the line regulation. The value of the line regulation must be very, very small for good regulator. So in this way we are getting a constant output voltage for this low voltage regulator by using IC 723. Thank you very much.